Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are looking for an all-in-one property management software to simplify your rental business, well, in this tutorial I will walk you through this website, the Propertyware, step by step. So whether you are managing a few units or an entire portfolio, well, by the end you will know how to add properties, screen tenants, and then collect rent. So here guys, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is the propertyware.com, and log in with your credentials. And if you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a free trial or a subscription that fits your needs, guys. So once logged in, guys, you will be able to see their dashboard, which provides an overview of your properties, lease status, rent collection, maintenance requests, and then financial report. So the key section include properties, which is you can manage all your rental units here. The tenants, so store tenant information, lease details, and then communication logs. So they also have here their accounting. You can manage rent payments, expenses, and financial reports. They also have here their maintenance. You can keep track of work orders and repair requests. So in order to add a new property, you can click on properties in the top menu of your dashboard and then click add property. Here, you will need to enter details such as the property name and address, the property type such as single family or multifamily or commercial, and etc. And then the unit details, of course, number of bedrooms, the bathrooms, and then square footage, and then the rental price, and then the security deposit. So after filling in the details, you can click save and your property is now listed in your portfolio. So here guys, you can add tenants to your properties. What you need to do there is you need to click on tenants and you'll be able to see there the add tenant button. So you can add there and then enter their name, the contact details, and then the property they will be renting. So to screen tenants, guys, go to the tenant screening under the tenant section. So the website will allow you to run background checks, credit reports, and eviction history through integrated screening services. So this helps you choose reliable tenants and reduce risk. So now guys, we can create a lease agreement. So in the lease, guys, you will input lease start and the end date, and then the rent amount and the due date, and then the late fee policies, and then the security deposit information, and of course the renewal options. And once completed, guys, you will upload a signed lease document or generate a digital lease for e-signature. So they also have here the rent collection and the online payment. So to collect rent online, guys, you can go to the accounting and click the payment settings. So the website allows the tenant to pay through ACH, credit, debit card, or check. So you can also automate late fees and send reminders for upcoming payments. So the tenant portal, guys, the tenant can log in to view their payment history, set up autopay, and submit maintenance requests. So managing repairs, guys, is very simple with the properties maintenance module. So to create a new request, guys, you can click new work order and then enter details. And that's a wrap, guys, on this website, Propertyware tutorial for the beginners. So whether you are a landlord or a property manager, this software can help streamline your rental operations. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more property management tutorials. And of course, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.